Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you how to use the OR instruction in TIA Portal V16. I am using that PLC CPU 1214C AC/DC relay, and let's start for OR logic instruction how we can use in the program. First of all, I will take one input, and second I will take one output and make one more input, and that I will close the branch and give the address M0.0 and M0.1, and output we will start for Q0.0. For example, that's an old logic that data showing on memory and off memory and green light. Because of this, in tags already we designed first in this program. Show all tags. This all tags we will control A, and we will delete this all tags. After this will be not shown and not disturbs. So let's remove this one. Go to the main OB and see, that's no problem. M0.0, M0.1 and Q0.0. So how our instruction works? See here what he says. ORS the value at the input 1 with the value at the input 2 bit by bit, and outputs the result at the output. But he says if M0.0 is on, our Q0.0 bit will be energized. If M0.1 is on, this Q0.0 also need to be energized, because of AND or instructions as working as same like how many inputs you likes to give, and defined as only one input if came, your output need to be energized. For example, first of all we download this program to the PLC and see, make the simulation on, and if I give my M0.0 signal, my Q0.0 is energized. And if this signal not have, for example, you need to be from this one bit needs to run from M0.1 also. When energized, your Q0.0 will be energized. And how to use this OR instruction I will show you. Let's make it offline, and first of all we will make one new block. We make it one new block, and we will give this an OR instruction. OR instruction and here we will give the another language FBD, and we will make it on, and let's make it here, and here we will choose that our on FBD language. See, first of all we will take some OR logic instruction, OR logic operation. We will take it here, and that's I defined here M0.0, and here also, and here we will give M0.1, That same logic we will design it here, and here we will take that's one q 0.0. Same we will check it back here. Which one you use? M0.0 and M0.1. M0.0 and M0.1. In this instruction this M0.0 or M0.1 is on after our Q0.0 need to be energized. And this program small program we will download to the PLC, and let's check. And this also I have to be I make this one program, and this must be have to be executed here in our menu B, need to be call it here in menu B, our instruction function block, and again like to be download and make it load and make it simulation on. And this also I will make it in 2 pages because you can see understand easily. And this instruction also I make it online, and this will I put it here. See, let's start. This instruction, when you make it this one M0.0 on, your Q0.0 is on, and in ladder also you can see Q0.0 is on. And if this one not on, and if this M0.1 on, after your Q0.0 will be energized. Same this ladder yani M0.0 or M0.1 or any how much long you like to increase the logic and how much release. For example, from the field your bits are coming from some sensors yani this one on, after this my main motor needs to be on. When this signal is coming, my motor needs to be on. This signal no needs yani after this signal needs yani many signals you can write it in the program in our logic. When you stop this execution, this will be stop. If this one on or this one on, any this you also you can put it in I address input any from the field I0.0, I0.1 or I0.2, any signal when you giving in our instruction, your output will be energized. Same as if you like to be increase this one, stop the execution. For example, stop the simulation, and here also we can more one second. Yeah, in this also we will stop the simulation on, and here we increase M0.3, and also in ladder we will write it here no. First you make it the another row. We delete the instruction here. Bit logic and close the bracket, and here M0.3. I think so. We defined here M0.3, right? Yeah, M0.3, and M0.3, and this one you have to be again download, because of when you make any modifications, after you again have to be download to the again pick from here and drop it here in the program, and again download to the PLC. Then click load and make the simulation, and go to your main OP, also make this one, and see if you write to M0.3 from on, your Q0.0 will be energized. And you can also see in your main logic Q0.0 is energized from M0.3. Make it 0 for off. See how much long you like to make the logic, you can design. Think M0 dot from 1 M0 dot 1 need to be Q0.0 on. This will be Q0.0 will be energized. So I hope in this instruction you understand about this logic, how to use the instruction of or logic. If you not understand anything, send me the message in comment section or send me email. I will give you the feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.